Follow this step-by-step guide to create an account, configure your settings, access different income streams, and utilize traffic sources effectively to maximize your earnings with one-page funnel. First, create an account using the same email you used before. Now watch the 4 instruction videos on how to set up and use your account. As one-page funnel member, you will earn from many different income streams after you finish the setup and start driving traffic to your landing pages. Make sure to check out the Profit Booster upgrade and join the Facebook group. Navigate to next step. Follow the instructions. Sign up and wait for approval. Head over to the next step. After approval, add your affiliate ID here and save. Check out the DFY traffic offer for a hands-free way to make this system work for you. Navigate to next step. Follow the instructions to sign up to the AffSense network. Scroll down and add your affiliate ID. Save and click Next Step. You can come back later to add your ID. Watch the video to learn how to use the different funnels you can use to promote one-page funnels. Navigate to Access Funnels. You see you have different landing pages you can choose from. Click on the 3 dots to add tracking codes if you wish. Navigate to VSL for video landing pages. Webinar landing pages will follow soon. Navigate to Next Step. Watch this video for different traffic sources. Check out the links below and sign up to the different networks. Join my FB group for more traffic solutions. Join Leads Empower as it may make you money while promoting. It's a great traffic source as well. Make sure to watch the traffic training and follow. Here you can access the funnels and links. Check the bonus income streams for even more income. Here you find the traffic sites. Traffic Zest is another great traffic source I am using constantly. Make sure to follow the training. Make sure to join the Scale Up service in the bonus income stream section for traffic and additional income. It is free. Got Backup is another big moneymaker you may want to join, but it costs $9.97 USD per month to do so. Click here to get help with your marketing and content creation. Check my bonus for interesting prompts you can use. Just give it a try. If you have not already, check out the link below to get started. Now that you've set up your one-page funnel account and explored various traffic sources, continue by diving into advanced strategies and connecting with our community for ongoing support and tips.